Right, so this evening, it's the 27th today, by the way, 27th of February. So this evening, we're back over in Altos del Liminar, and we're currently just either going to go to either the Shannon Bar or Concerto. So if the Shannon Bar, the pool table's free, we'll go in and I'll beat Sarah at pool again. If not, we'll just probably go into Concerto and have a beer beforehand. And then once we've done that, we're going to head into Dave's place for dinner. Now, we've quite often eaten in Dave's place. Food's always really good, really cheap, and they're really big portions. So once we've had a couple of beers first, or a game of pool or whatever, then we'll have a wander in and we'll show you what it's like. So you'll be able to see the portion sizes and what's what. Right, so we're in Dave's place, and this is the first time actually we've sat inside. We've normally been sat out there in the conservatory area, which is lovely because they've got loads of patio heaters, big fires on, keeping everything warm. Just a quick point to note, if you are coming in here, it is cash only. They don't take card payments, so make sure you're bringing plenty of cash with you. Not that you leave plenty of cash because it's not expensive, but you need obviously cash to pay the bill because they don't take cards. So just remember that, guys, if you're going to come in here. Briefly showed you the menu. Let me know if there is anything in the comments down below that you think, oh, you'd like to have a look at. So just to give you an idea, before some of the stuff we've had now, the soup of the day is generally goulash soup, and it is stunning. It really is good. You get a massive great cupful. There's huge great chunks of beef in there as well. We get lots of meat in it for a soup. Burgers are good in here, the curl dog's good in here, steaks are good in here. A lot of people really rate the fish. I've never had it myself personally. And the schnitzels as well. They do varying different schnitzels, and they are huge. They're like the size of a dinner plate themselves. So, and the pies, they do their own sort of homemade pies. Again, they're decent sized pies, really nice, really tasty to be fair. So another thing to note in Dave's is Dave does love his whiskey. That's an entire wall full of whiskey there. And it then goes across the bar, down there, and down that side as well. He does do monthly whiskey and tasting evenings, and there are some incredibly expensive bottles of whiskey in here. He was saying he's got some bottles of whiskey that are like £1,800 a go. You get charged what he pays for the whiskey. So when he does these whiskey tasting evenings, the whiskey you drink, you pay for it as per what it would be for a shot, divided out into the bottles, and he doesn't actually make any profit or any money as such on it, but there is some phenomenal single malts here, anything up to like 18, 20 odd years old. And to be honest, looking around, if it's a whiskey, you will most definitely find it here, because I've never seen such a collection of whiskey in my life. Right, so that is the chicken wings. They come in a barbecue sauce and they do smell incredibly great. So you can get either 8 chicken wings or 12 chicken wings. Obviously we're going to share anyway, so we'll have 2 of them each. And Sarah's gone for the garlic bread. So you get 3 slices of the garlic bread. I think it's actually oil rather than garlic butter that they put on them. But again, it's quite a decent sized portion of chicken wings and garlic bread for what you're paying for. Right, so I am just being informed that if that's oil for the vegans and the vegetarian clan out there, shall we say, the non-meat eating people, that would be good for a starter. And I think they also probably do mixed salad as a starter as well on the menu, so if there are any of those out there that would like to partake. And I think they also do, from memory, a chili con carne, which is vegan chili con carne as well. So the chicken wings do come in barbecue sauce, but I've got to be honest, it's actually a really nice barbecue sauce. Not too strong, quite mild, but a really good flavour. So. So we're actually in quite early this evening, which is why it's really quiet. Tables are all booked. There's a lot of tables all reserved here. I would say probably over half the tables are all reserved. So I would recommend booking, so you're not disappointed if you don't get in, because later on, half 7, 8 o'clock, it will be stacked in here and you won't move. And Facebook page, everything like that. If you drop Dave a message, one of his members of staff, or Dave, might be Dave himself, I'm not sure, they will enable you and let you book a table. Right, so the mains have turned up, and that is the beef goulash. Trust me, that will be absolutely banging. The only thing I'm never entirely sure on from here, and people that know me will understand this, is the dodgy peas. They do look a bit suspect. So, yep, I've gone for the beef goulash, which is always really nice. Just move that out of the way. And then Sarah's got the half roast chicken with chips, a sprinkling of salad garnish, and then some peppery type garnish as well at the same time. So, and I think we've got some bread and aioli turning up to go with the mains. Oh no, the bread and aioli has already turned up that we've ordered that goes with the mains as well. So yeah, we'll get stuck into it and let you know what we think of it. To be fair, we have had this before and it always has been really good. And like I say, starters wise, they do a soup of the day, which generally speaking is goulash soup, and it is the sauce from that in a soup, which is absolutely fantastic. If you come here and try nothing else, just come here and try the goulash soup, because it's so worth it, trust me. Right, so we've had our mains, absolutely amazing. The beef goulash, if you're into that kind of thing, trust me, probably more of a winter dish than it is a summer dish, but honestly it is so good. It's spiced as in flavoured spice, but not as in hot spiced, and it is absolutely amazingly good. Trust me, it really is good. So Sarah had the half roast chicken, again, absolutely beautiful. I had mine with chips. Now you can get a choice of potatoes here. I think you can have chips, they do mash, bravatas potatoes, and then they do, what are the other potatoes they do? Is it tobacco? Sauteed potatoes, which is like a spiced potato as well. Again, really good. I don't think, to be honest, you'll find anything here on the menu that you won't like. And looking at some of the food going out, it does look amazing. Now the schnitzels here, they are literally the size of dinner plates when they come out. They're like 8-10 inches in diameter, crushed out and things like that. I've had the one here from here before, and they are really good. So trust me, and we'll show you the bill at the end. We've had a few drinks on top of it as well, so we've had starters each, a main each. For the purpose of this video and filming experience, I will probably go for a dessert as well. Not that I need it, just to... She's laughing at me. Just to show you what the dessert's like also, because I've had the dessert from it. And the other thing to note as well is there are some what they call master mixologists in here. So cocktail-wise, they do some lovely cocktails as well. Complete menu of cocktails, all the different varying ones. Go for it, trust me, you won't be disappointed. Right, so I've ordered dessert for the purposes of this video. Now, I think it was Helen from the Brits living in Spain said to us about the Bailey's panna cotta, so that's what I've ordered. Now, I do enjoy a good panna cotta anyway, but apparently the Bailey's one in here is really good, and Helen from the Brits living in Spain reckons it's probably the best one she's had anywhere, so we'll give it a go and let you know what it's like. We'll show you it once it turns up. Now that is what you call a dessert, so that is a Bailey's panna cotta, and it smells amazing and it seriously does look the part as well, so we'll get stuck in a minute and have a go and let you know what it's like.
I don't mind that.
So the Bailey's panna cotta, it is out of this world. Honestly, it's so good. If you come here, try the Bailey's panna cotta, trust me. Right then, so the scores on the doors are in, and our bill comes to a total of 52.6 euros. Now, I had 3 courses, Sarah only had 2, and I had 3 pints of San Miguel. Sarah had 3 brandies with Diet Coke, Northerners, they're all P-heads. So yeah, not bad at all for a 3-course meal, including beers and stuff like that as well. So yeah, well happy with that one. Right, so that was Dave's place. Put any comments below, let us know what you think. What would you eat off the menu? Trust me, there is such a good selection of food in there, all really nice, really decent sized portions as well, and I'd be surprised, but I don't think you'll be disappointed if you go there for dinner. Trust me, it's well worth it.